The PMLN's selection of local council heads in Punjab is not unusual at all. First up, it has gone for reliable people who are expected to stamp their authority on the proceedings not only because they are PMLN nominees but also because they are considered powerful in their areas in their own right. First up, there are very few exceptions to the rule that entails assigning local councils to sections of well-known political families, in many cases close relatives of MNAs or MPAs. First up, among the lucky ones, many are known to possess the talent for arm twisting or taking other stern action to implement discipline in the ranks and even outside. First up, reports from some districts such as Faisalabad indicate that those who could flaunt close ties with Punjab Chief Minister Shehbaz Sharif were able to do better in a fight which was more often than not a contest between various PMLN groups. First up, the theory that gave an edge to contestants claiming to have been blessed by Mr. Sharif sought to remind these grassroots representatives of a simple fact that ultimately they will be dependent on the allocations and patronage of the Punjab government. First up, the same theory is said to have been used to neutralize whatever little success the PTI and to a much lesser extent the Pakistan People's Party had in the earlier phase of the local government polls. First up, there were desertions from the PTI in some places and the PPP saw an upset defeat in the vote for the Rahim Yar Khan District Council Chairman. First up, these results show that the hugely present PMLN has just gotten bigger in Punjab. First up, the party faces little opposition in the provincial assembly and there are today not too many challenges to it on the streets. First up, the completion of the local government formality a year and a half before the scheduled general election is a boon for a party with long experience of how to operate and hold on to power. First up, but there are so many other dimensions apart from the fact that the opposition parties confront a huge challenge. First up, for instance, despite it being a one-party show at the local level all across Punjab. First up, there are inevitably expectations that these councils will help Lahore rationalize its priorities and bring in a just order to the